And in this tutorial, I will show you how to make these Fireplace bats. I love how this project turned out. It's super fast, super simple. I got this idea from a friend of mine who did this in his living room around their fireplace. But of course, if you don't have a fireplace, you can always do this around a window or a doorway, whatever it takes to make it work in your space and make it your own. And like I said, it's super fast, super simple. If you want to see more easy Halloween DIYs like this one, make sure you let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity and check out my podcast at MDXpods.com. Thanks for watching and let's get into it.
For this project, you'll need black construction paper, a bat template. You can either draw one up or print out one. I recommend that you do 2 to 4 of these bats because it's going to make this process easier, as well as whatever type of tape you prefer. I'm using regular and double stick, and a pair of scissors. Start with your bat template. I recommend that you do 4 of these because it just makes it simpler to lay down several of your bat templates on your black piece of construction paper and maximize that black piece of paper as well. You're already using the white cardstock, use up the whole thing, do several bats, and then take pieces of double stick tape, put one on the back of each of the bat's wings and then one in the center of the bat's body. And then I recommend that you tap this tape into place several times so it loses a little bit of its stickiness. This way it's still going to stick to the sheet of black paper, but it's not going to rip off pieces of paper. Then when you have several of them, you can position them most efficiently around your black piece of construction paper, and then with them stuck firmly in place, cut out around them. This saves you the step of having to trace around all of your bats before cutting out and makes it so much faster. Then unstick your templates from your black sheets of paper, and I think I ended up doing about 30 of these bats. Then bend the wings next to the bat's body, and you can do a couple more creases in the bat's wings wherever you prefer to, according to your artistic preference. Then for this step, I like to use regular tape because it stands away from the bat's body, and just roll it up into a little piece and stick that to the back of the bat. Then attach these to your wall and ceiling in whatever manner you prefer, and really just let your imagination take control of this step. Do it random, do it uniform, whatever you enjoy most. And that is your finished project. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Halloween DIYs like this one, make sure you let me know in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and thank you so much for watching.